Hey there. So this is a little video on how to do the particle sort for the different types of matter. So when you click this, you open this up, you'll see this grid here. And the first thing I want to show you is that you can zoom in. So click the magnifying glass right here and click that to zoom in. And so now you have your grid. And what you're doing in this activity is you are going to take the cards on the next page and you're going to sort them up into these grids up above and then take those card numbers and put them into Canvas. All right, so let me show you. So an element is something that is not chemically combined with another element, right? So it's only going to be one single color of sphere. And I'm going to zoom in again because I have that option now. And I'll get rid of the zoom and I'll put my arrow back on so I can select it. So what I want to do is look for something that is only one color element. Well, in number 1, those are only black circles. Number 7, those are only blue circles. And number 2, I actually see green, light blue, and dark blue circles. So I will not want to say that number 2 is an element, but I could say that number 7 is an element. So I would select it, and you can either drag it, or I might just do Control X, or right click and you can do cut. Click back up here and click in here. And that's my element. And you can, again, zoom out in case you want to see that a little bit better. All right, so that's an element. And let me just give you a quick helper on the difference between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. Homogeneous mixtures are going to look the same throughout, whereas heterogeneous mixtures are going to look different throughout. Homogeneous mixtures, let's look at this peanut butter here. Almost looks, right? There's no chunks in it. It's nice and smooth and creamy. Whereas heterogeneous mixtures have 2 clear layers, something like that, right? You can definitely see the red layer at the bottom, yellow layer at the top. So if we do that with the particle sort, let's try to find a heterogeneous mixture, something that has a clear line. Let's see, something that has clear difference. If I zoom in, I look at card number 5. See that there? How there's clearly a line here between the black and gray spheres and the dark blue and light blue spheres. So I would say that card number 5, and I'll zoom out, select my cursor again, click this, cut, is a heterogeneous mixture. You can definitely see the different layers. So heterogeneous mixture, zoom out, and there you go. So you want to do that with each of those cards. Try to find things in common, and then when you get the card numbers, go back into Canvas and sort through each of the cards that you have found for each category. Thanks.